gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done creating this beautiful look and I used the BFF collab with Elsie and Alondra. This palette comes in 20 color shades, beautiful colors. The colors are super pigmented. Look how pigmented. I used this on my lid and I was amazed and I was super impressed with this palette. This palette is super affordable and also is a limited edition, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, try to get your hands on it quick. But I'm loving the pigmentation and I'm loving how creamy the eyeshadow is. This is so stunning. Also got the BFF Snatch Face Palette. I'm loving this also. It's amazing. I mean, anybody can use this. Darker shades and lighter shade. I use the darker one to contour and I use the Latina one, the little lighter one, for my nose. I'm just super impressed with the formula and everything about it, and I'm telling you, BH Cosmetic is one of my favorites. So if you want to check it out because it's a limited edition. Check it out, guys. But if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look, then please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. Bye. All right, guys, so I already primed my eyes and I did my eyebrows off camera just for the purpose of the video. So we're going to begin with this makeup tutorial. We're going to be using this palette right here, and this is the BFF, and this is from BH Cosmetic, collaboration with Alonda and Elsie. I'm super late on the game, but you know what, at least I am trying this palette out. Look how gorgeous are the colors of this palette. Beautiful, beautiful. I heard great reviews on this palette. I heard it was super creamy, no fallout. I got this palette right here, the BFF eyeshadow palette, and it comes in a 20 color shadow. I got this also, and this is the BFF Snatch Face palette. Look how gorgeous is this. So I'm also going to try this out on my face. I love BH Cosmetic. I love super affordable makeup. They've been actually coming out with amazing products. Super amazing. So I'm excited to try and test this out. And I'm going to swatch some colors. This one is really cute. Malibu. Look how beautiful is that Malibu. That's gorgeous. I love Malibu. That's a beautiful blue, soft blue color. Let's try Salvadoreña. I'm guessing one of them is Salvadoreña, but that's that blue. That's pretty. It doesn't look chalky either, so that's good. I'm gonna try one more before I start. Let's try this green one, and this is Messy. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. It's like a green shimmery color. So I'm going to do Mexicana. I'm going to do this color right here, and I'm going to place that on the crease area. I'm going to use my Morphe M433. It's like a little flat fluffy brush. And remind you, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just looking at these colors and they're beautiful. So let's place it in our eyes. So I'm going to use this color Mexicana, and I'm going to place it in the crease area. Alright, it's like a reddish, brownish color. So I'm guessing one of them is Salvadoreña and the other one is Mexican. They're Spanish. They're really beautiful women. I don't know if you guys seen them on social media, on YouTube, but they are gorgeous. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just dabbing the color on the lid, because I want that color to be intense, just to bring it out. Alright, so now I'm going to use this color right here, and that's BFF, and I'm going to place it up here, and we're just going to blend that red color. So we're doing circular motion and feathering it out. Actually, I want to use a smaller brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M506, and I'm going to use the BFF, and I'm just going to do circular motion really slowly. We're blowing that out. It's like turning a little pink, which I don't mind. Because the BFF is like a peachy pink. Now this eyeshadow is more like taking your time and blending and getting the right blowout. So this is like, this is what this look is going for. So I'm gonna grab Mexicana again, and I'm just gonna place it, because I don't want that color to go away. We want to intensify that red, but I'm just putting it right here in the outer corner and bringing it up just halfway, because that's where we're going to place that other darker color. And now I'm going to grab my Morphe M506 and grab that BFF again and just blow it out. And once again, grab Mexicana again and just place it right here in the outer corner. I'm going to use this color right here, Wine and Dine, and I'm going to place it in the outer crease. I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is the Morphe M556. I just hope this doesn't stain my lid. This red color. So what I'm doing, I'm just patting it. You see how it changed the color? And then I'm just gonna grab that red again, I don't want to lose that red color, and just bring it back. What you do is just keep bringing the colors back. I'm going to grab my Morphe M506 and I'm just going to slowly blend it out. This color right here, and I'm gonna place that on my brow bone. I'm liking that so far. The blowout, everything looks good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the crease. All right, so now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna use my micellar cleansing water, and I'm gonna use a Q-tip just to make the process easier for me. I'm loving this technique. So there you go, you see? If you guys haven't tried this technique, I highly recommend you trying it, because it makes the job so much easier. And I know also some people use Vaseline also to cut it. I haven't tried that technique yet. I should try that technique one day. Now I'm going to be using my Peace Louise base, and this is Rumor 3. And I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is Showstopper Beauty CC1. Love this to cut the crease. Super flat. You see how flat it is? It makes it easy too to cut the crease. Alright, let's begin cutting. I'm going to wing my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Torturous Tarte, and I'm going to use the liquid side. Alright guys, so I did a thicker wing for this look. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my lashes, and I'm going to finish up my face, and I'll be right back. I already did the foundation, and I set underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to be using this palette right here, the BFF. And this is the contour palette. And it has also the highlighter. So I'm going to use the whole thing. Let me open it up so you guys can see it. Ooh. So I'm going to use the contour one. I'm going to use the Skinny Legend. And that's the darkest one that will match my skin tone. So I'm going to grab this brush right here. And I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. Oh, this is perfect. This is a cute kit because it has for lighter skin Latina, and it has for darker skin like me. And this is actually perfect for my skin tone. So I'm just dabbing this, and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm going to put it on my forehead because I got a big forehead, and we're trying to hide that forehead. So I'm going to use a bigger brush just so I can blend that out. Before I put blush, I want to set underneath here. Setting powder. And voila! So now I'm going to use the blush. I'm going to use You're My Person. I'm going to use this blush right here. It's like a peachy reddish tone. I'm going to use this big brush. And I'm just going to put it in the apples of my cheeks. And bring it up. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm liking this. I'm liking that blush. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to contour my nose because I want that pointy nose. So I'm going to be using the lighter one. I'm going to use Latina. Alright, girlfriend. And I'm going to put a little bit of the blush on the tip of my nose. Just like that. I love it. I'm going to use Scorpio, that color right here. And I'm going to place it on the bottom of my eyelid. And I'm going to just use a fluffy pencil brush. And a new technique that I found that will glide that underneath your eyes is spraying it. I'm loving that technique. And watch this. Watch how it works. It's like pencil. And bam! That is beautiful. In my inner corner, I'm going to use Pop Off and place that in my inner corner. Just want a small little brush. If I can find a small, I'm going to use this small little brush right here. And I'm going to spray it. That's so cute. I love that in the inner tear dot. that is gorgeous. I'm loving that. So I'm almost done. I gotta do my underneath my waterline. I'm gonna use a nude pencil underneath my waterline. I'm gonna use the LA Girl, and this is the gel liner, and this is in nude. I'm gonna use this just so my eyes can be a little more open. And I'm gonna place some mascara on my waterline. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty in black. For my face, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the Bh Cosmetics BFF. This palette was amazing. But if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, adios!